Hello familia, welcome back to my channel. So today I have bought a vlog where few months back we had visited to Nepal, and here is the part 1, the views of Pokhara city. I'll be letting you to explore with me. So basically we started from Guwahati station, and it was my first ever train visit. We had so much fun together, and then we had dropped down to NJP, then crossed the borders. It was only we two girls who had crossed around 10 o'clock in the evening, I mean at night, and it was really not a good experience though. And post that we had booked our hotels, we had our dinner, and then we slept, and then on the next day we had traveled to Pokhara, which is almost approximately, you can say, 18 hours of journey. So this is where, without taking much of your time, let's visit one by one the sightseeing spots of Pokhara. I'm sure you'll definitely gonna enjoy this. Davies Fall is a fascinating waterfall which drops into a cavernous gorge. The water reappears a kilometer south and merges with a rivulet called Fusre Khola. Sarangot is the most popular hilltop to glare at magnificent Annapurna range throughout the day. It is specifically recommended to see the magnificent sunrise view along with Annapurna range, Duhalgiri, Manasalu and Mount Fishtail. The serendipity here is the colors that changes over the top of the mountains, displaying nature in its truest form. As the first rays of the sun gradually dissipate darkness in the lower plains of Pokhara Valley, the scenery will simply astound you. Mahindra Cave bears the historical, religious, and archaeological importance. It is nearly 7 kilometers north from Prithvi Chowk, the center of Pokhara Valley. It occupies 46 ropanis and the length of the cave is 125 meters. Late King Mahindra Veer Vikram Shah Dev visited the cave. It was named after his visit to the cave. There are different images of gods and goddesses inside the cave. It is recommended to include this spot as it is the only type of cave that consists of limestone surroundings underneath. Fewa Lake is a freshwater lake in Nepal. The lake will mesmerize you with its astounding scenery, where it reflects the mirror image of Annapurna Himalayan range along with the highly believed Barahi temple in its center. This is a must visit spot in Pokhara. It will mesmerize you for sure because you can spend hours here, and you can enjoy the calmness of this place. It's wonderful.
My friend, another solo traveler, she is riding in this boat and risking our life like anything.
Friends, if you like this video, then please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Friends, trust me, it takes a lot of efforts to edit a video and then present before you, and show some love. If you want anything else or you want me to improve somewhere, please do comment, put your comment so that I can read and I can improvise and present before you something better. Gupte Gupteshwar Mahadev cave is believed to be 5000 years old, is one of the wonderful and largest cave in South Asia. After entering deep inside the cave, you can see an idol of Lord Shiva which has been formed
Friends, you can
naturally.
see my voice is totally stuck since the day one I'm traveling. Today at least I can speak a bit, but I was unable to speak at all. I had to take medicines. I had to consult a doctor in Kakarvita, and then just moving. This cave looks great. It has. It's quite scary too. It's it's quite scary too. Yeah.
Drops of water continuously dripping from the ceiling of the cave are the attraction of the cave. Once you have passed through the tunnel, you find yourself in a huge open space which is really a huge cavern inside and full of enormous rocks, no track of soil found, and only small pebbles scattered everywhere. After few yards of scrambling throughout the darkness, you find yourself on the edge of a crystal clean pond, and from where you can see the awe inspiring Patal Django falling right to the top. This is the Barahi temple, which is located in the center of Fewa Lake. Friends, this is one of the most astounding temples of Nepal, you can say, and Pokhara city is one of the cleanest city of Asia, and this attracts the beauty of this particular place. This lake in itself is a great attraction point for tourists. Seti River is the mysterious wonders of Pokhara. It carves a deep narrow gorge through the middle of town, turning the water milky white in the process. Bats Cave, the home for the thousands of the flying mammal, which is highly recommended for the adventure seekers and natural lovers, as it is the only spot in Nepal where one can enjoy the habitat of such rare creatures. The entry to the Bats Cave was quite easier though, but the exit was superb, damn tougher, and most of the visitors chose to exit from the place where they entered because the path is very narrow and you have to simply climb in such small you can say stones out there, and it was difficult for many visitors because they could not climb properly, and also the flexibility matters. Vindhya Basini Temple is one of the important Hindu shrine of Pokhara. It is believed to be one of the oldest temples in Pokhara.